Jazzy.
Welcome to our channel.
Today we're going to be unboxing the fashion fidgets. These are so cool. They are dolls, but they are fidgets. For example, in the back it says that they can click, they can spin, they can pop, and they can even turn. And there's 18 to collect. So cool. Hopefully we don't get the same thing, because I want to get a pretty one, and hopefully Allie gets another one that's pretty.
Let's open it. Okay, I go first. Whoa! What's this? It's a little. It's a little one.
Aww.
I can put this on my backpack.
This is so cute. Allie, show them what she has.
It has a little.
It's a skirt and it's a poppet.
And it has a stretchy hair.
It's monkey noodles.
I thought they had toothbrush.
That's so cool. And I think this also is like a fidget spinner, because it's like a puppet and you can spin it. So cool. Allie, you're gonna have so much fun with it. It also came with a collection guide, and it has all the other kind of dolls, and Allie got a fashionista Franny. Oh guys, look what Allie just discovered. Show them, Allie. Her cheeks click. I wish my cheeks click like this.
Yeah, she look good.
Why tell them my secret? Okay guys, my turn. Can't wait. What did I get? Come on. Come out, little girl. Oh, it is a girl. So cool. Look at her hair. It pops.
Does he have the cheeks?
Huh?
He has the cheeks.
Oh yeah, her cheeks also click. What? This is so satisfying. What else she does? That's it? That's all you do? Come on, do some more. So satisfying. Let's see, what's her name? She's right here, and her name is Classy Chloe. We love them so much, they're so cute, and we cannot wait to unbox more. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and press the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video. Bye! Unboxing fashion dolls.